So you just saw us doing the flower sweep on a person. We're now going to be using a judo dummy and a ball to practice that flower sweep. So you can see there the way we start the flower sweep went into a back take. So if you look at back take 1, this is something you can go from one thing to another. We're going to start with our judo dummy. So the only thing our judo dummy was missing is obviously some legs, so we just got to pretend when we take that leg that we're taking the leg. So we're working from a closed guard here. So the first movement is we did exactly the same as we did with the back take. So I'm going to take my hand on the gi, my hand behind the elbow, I'm going to pull across to go and get their side here. But really what I'm doing is I'm just trying to take this posting arm away. So now they can't put that posting arm out to stop me. From there, I'm still going to grab the back of the lat because now I've got this to pull over. And then this hand here is going to scoot down and go underneath their leg. Especially if they step that leg up to try and pass, that's when I'm going to look for it. So I put my foot down, I scoot that arm underneath, so you can see here. So I'm just going to grab the bottom of the gi to give that emphasis of grabbing the leg. Now from there, I'm going to sweep my legs here, sweep this one low, sweep this one up to the top, and come up onto a Tate Shigatami top mount. From here, so we've got our closed guard. We take the hand, takes the wrist or the gi, lower down. This hand goes across and takes the elbow. We pull the body across and we pull ourselves across. So now I'm towards the back. So I could be going for a back take, but we're going to go for this flower sweep. Arm goes over the top, grabs hold of the lat here, pulls that down with that elbow. Now from there, I'm going to open up my guard, put that leg down, and fish down for this leg here. So that arm's gone underneath the leg here and grabbed hold. From here, we want like a scissor action. So this leg is going to sweep underneath as this leg goes across. Sweep. I'm going to drive and push myself over here into Tate Shigatami. And as I'm coming up, if I can swim this arm underneath and take that arm, that's always going to add to it because now I've got this arm trapped, which I then can start manipulating even more. Let's try it from a different angle. So from there, wrist, elbow, pull across, hand's going to come out, grab hold of the lat. From there, the side that I grab the lat on, so I'm using my left hand, that left leg goes down and I turn my hips out. I turn my hips out, trying to get myself more at 90 degrees to them. Arm goes underneath the leg. Here. Now I'm going to pull this leg up as if I'm going to put my hand behind my head. I probably won't get there, but that's what I want to do. I want to imagine I'm pulling that hand all the way up towards my head here, and I'm going to sweep this leg in, and as I do that, I take this knee up into this armpit. So I'm trying to take this foot towards the back of their head, take this knee into the armpit. This one is going down low towards the knees here. Sweep round. You can see here, this is so easy to catch and keep control of. There. From here, wrist, elbow, pull across. You pull yourself the opposite way to the way you're pulling the arm. You take your hand out, take hold of the lat. Now put that same leg down. One. I now scoop myself on this foot to a 90-degree angle, so I push myself away from this foot. Grab hold of the leg, pull the leg up towards my head, sweep this one leg down and in, this leg that's up high up into the armpit, through, into my Tate Shigatami. Let's have a couple of goes on the other side. So from here, wrist, so here I'm going to take it with this same side, so it's the same side that I'm grabbing here. One, arm comes through, pull, grab hold of the lat, here. Now from there, I'm going to put the same leg down, fish for that bottom leg, pull it up, sweep those legs up and through into my Tate Shigatami. We've got our judo dummy, so same side, here you can see, grabs the low down, other hand goes underneath, takes the elbow, pulls it across, grab hold, open up the leg. From here, scoot away from this leg as you go down to go and get this leg here. So you can see that I'm going to use like the gi or the trouser leg to pull me down. Arm goes underneath the leg, sweep this one up into the armpit, and the other leg sweeps down, up and through into our Tate Shigatami. So if we put the judo dummy to the side for a minute, a real good practice for this one is just getting those hips right. So if we're in our closed guard here, we just want to think here, push. So there you can see, so if you just go and get yourself in your pretend closed guard, put one foot down. Now I'm going to push on the outside edge of that foot and pivot and move around those hips here. So you can see now, look, I've gone 90 degrees compared to the way I was facing. And this leg, so I haven't been able to go up. So if I stay here, it's going to be really hard for me to get this leg to have any power going across there. So I put one foot down, I turn into the motion. You can see there I'm pushing on that outside edge. So I'm not doing this, I'm pushing outwards with that leg, push me through. So get yourself into your guard, and we'll have a few practices there. So you can put your foot down, scoot round, come back, put your foot down, push yourself round here. Foot down, keeping your head off the mat, scoot round, foot on the mat, scoot round. Okay, let's try the other leg. There, put your foot down, scoot round, try and get that outside edge. Foot down, scoot round, come back. Foot down, scoot round, come back. Foot down, round, come back. Show it from a different angle. I'm going to go back to my first foot, my foot goes down, push away and come back. I'm going to help myself by pushing this leg across. So I push with this foot away, I'm going to push this leg across. So you see here, I'm like kicking that leg up and over, and that's going to help this sweep tremendously. But it's also going to help your shrimp. From there, foot goes down, across. Foot goes down, across. Now on the other side, so foot goes down, push away from it and across, back. Foot goes down, push away from it and come back. Foot goes down, push away from it and come back. Foot goes down, push away from it and come back. So that's the initial movement we have, and then we have the sweeping movement. So from here, we've gone one, and now all we're going to do is going to kick that leg underneath and kick this one over. So we're going to get this motion. Now we use this for the scissor sweep as well. As you can see, these basic movements are coming up again and again. So from there, I'm just going to kick this leg in, kick that leg across. So from here, so I'm not doing this. Rolling, I'm sweeping. My hips are staying in the same place. Here, you can see there, and come back. There. The hips are coming in the same place. Sweeping across. Sweeping across. Yeah. Sweeping across. So try it on the other side. Through. 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 And come back. Let's try it one more set. So from here, his legs are up. I sweep this leg in and I kick this leg across. One, here. Sweep this leg in and kick this one across. Again, we're not rolling. We're looking to try and keep our hips as where we are as we can. Through, through. One more, through. And try another side. So from there, through, and then kick through, kick through. Kick through. So there's some little practices you can do without a person and without a dummy that are going to help this sweep. Our final motion on that sweep is getting up. So from here we can just go from our guard, foot down, turn, sweep the legs and bring ourselves up. You can see there, I use this knee to get myself to go up. So I'm here, I put my foot down, I turn, I'm going to sweep my legs through, and then this one is the one that I'm going to really press up on to go and get myself over to this, and this leg can then pull down to go and get myself up. So with me leaving this leg up, I'm going to pull it down so I can get my knees back up, and now I'm in my take shugatami. So we get in that position here, foot, one, sweep, up, and into your take shugatami. And we can and if you've got like a heavyish ball, this is a great one. You can just practice that. So you've got the bulk of their weight on you. From here, 1, 2, and then roll. Get yourself up onto that ball. So here, in that position, foot, 1, here. Kick those legs up onto that ball. Here, grab that ball, foot, turn, sweep, up onto that ball. Into a good position, one more, grab hold, foot goes down, sweep, through, up onto that ball. And you're just looking to go and get yourself up over there. Another little practice you can do with the ball is just from here, we're just going to throw this leg across here, throw it across, and then roll onto the ball. So we look to get this leg over and cross onto the ball. So here we're just going to throw, bring this leg in as that leg goes over onto the ball. So we're just practicing the end part of the sweep, and through, and one more, and through onto the ball. So there's a couple of little practices there you can do with a ball, without a partner, and with a dummy. And let's just go back to our dummy just to go through any little bits before we finish off. So we've got our guard. This hand goes in, so this side grabs hold low, hand comes through, swims through, gets the elbow, pull across, grabs hold of the lat, that foot same side goes down, turn my body through, hand goes underneath the leg. From there, sweep my legs up and try and get yourself into a take shugatami. Hug this arm in, and then you're in your take shugatami. So now you've gone from the bottom to the top. Let's do one more, and then we'll see it with a person. So from here, hand, elbow, put across, grab hold of the lat. I'm going to put that foot down and swim down for that leg. Sweep through into that take shugatami. So what we're going to do now is we're going to jump to doing it with a person with the details. So we've seen how to do it on a person. We've then gone through all the different ways to practice it, and now we're just going to go through those details on a person so you can see. So from here, I've got my partner in my guard. My hand here comes and takes the wrist. My other hand swims through, takes the back of the elbow. I pull across and shift my body the opposite way. Now I could be looking to take the back, like we said, so there's two attacks here. My hand goes and gets the lat to make sure they're nicely in. Now this arm can't go out on post, it's too tight. I'm going to drop down the same side that I've got my arm grabbing the lats as my left hand. My left leg goes down. I do that little motion round. Now this hand's going to come through, and I'm going to pull this hand up towards the back of my head. I'm not going to leave it down here. I'm not trying to grab his leg. I'm just going to anchor it into my elbow and then lift it up. So now I'm taking all the weight onto my chest here. I'm going to swing those legs around as I go through and cradle him over here and landing in my take shugatami. Try that again just to finish off. So from here, I'm in my guard, take the wrist, control, take the elbow. I pull across and shift myself. So you can see here, if you go to back take one, you could be looking how to take the back from here, but I'm not going to take the back. I'm going to grab the lat. It's all the same. Put my foot down, the same as the back take. So he's not sure yet what we're doing. But now I swim this arm through underneath to grab that leg. As I do that, I turn 90 degrees, pull this leg up towards me. From here, now he's on top of me. So now I've got control of him because he's weightless. From there, swing this one down, swing this one over, and through. And like we said here, going to take shugatami, swim that arm, and now that arm is trapped, and we can use that one. So, that's your pendulum or flower sweep, basically a sweep from closed guard. Thank you very much, warriors.